In this video, I'll show you how to move cards within a board, particularly when the destination column you want to move the card to is not visible on the screen. Here's the board that I'm working with. So of course, the first way to move the card is simply take your mouse, click on the card, and drag it to the column you want to move it to. And that works very well when you can see the column on the screen. But when the column is off to the side, it can be very difficult and time-consuming to drag it while the screen scrolls across. So there's a couple of other methods that work well in this instance. The first is to simply collapse the columns in between your destination and your source. So if I want to move backlog, this reporting on board card, from my backlog column over to my sprint 4, I'm just going to come in here and I can click once, collapse sprint 1, collapse sprint 2, collapse sprint 3, and now I can see my sprint 4 column, and it's quite easy to take the card, drag it across. Very simple. Another method to use is while I'm holding down the control key on the card I want to move, hold down the control key, click once with the mouse with the left button, and then right click on the card, select move, and now I can just select from the list of columns which one I want to move it to. And that will move the card over. That's very effective as well if you have several cards you want to move at once. So while I'm holding down the control key, let's say I'm going to grab these 3 cards, right click on them, click move, and again, just select the destination column. Last thing I want to mention is when you want to expand the columns you've collapsed, you just click once on the name of each column. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that helpful.